Alright, so clearly we found the truck. Somewhere in I don't know what state my rock lights kicked on and they never shut off. So pretty much the battery died. They're trying to swap it with the Ram that towed me here. Trying to swap batteries. Trying to get this thing running so we can get it off the trailer. I also got to figure out why my rock lights are running. So definitely not what I was expecting to do when I got here, but also this truck is absolutely filthy. Colorado or something uses like what? I know. But Colorado uses like sand, so we're gonna have to go wash this like as soon as we get it running. Can you get like a shot from
your butt?
Well, no, but like me standing up here from over there, so I can use it as a thumbnail. Smarter, not harder. This is like, when I do like head studs or something here, I definitely need to like build a platform because this is like so accessible. Not only is this built in a driveway, it's also worked on in a truck stop parking lot for Sema in the middle of Las Vegas with not my tools, but it's been a journey. What's up, guys, and welcome back or to the channel, and welcome to Las Vegas. This is completely different Ohio. It's actually, obviously I've driven to Florida and such, but I've never driven like out here, so this is nuts. The scenery and everything is just different. It's actually quite cold though, which is like colder than Ohio here, which was kind of funny. Getting off the plane was like 40 degrees and getting on the plane was like 60, so that was weird. But said scenery is just awesome, and right now I'm parked underneath the tree that definitely scraped the roof, and you can see I got this salty sand stuff all over me. We're gonna hit the car wash after this, but right now we're at Chipotle because we're starving, and I'm waiting for my Uconnect to update, which is perfect timing for I don't know what reason. Pretty much on the way. So pretty much on the way here, my rock lights kicked on the truck. All of them were on for the longest time, and then only the driver's side. And when he parked the trailer here, it's like all the rock lights went off, so I assumed it was either dead or somehow it fixed itself. What I found is that my relays, they had water in them and they corroded, and I'm guessing it touched the terminals together or something. So my rock lights were on. They should be off now. I put a new relay in, but we should be good on that. I gotta get some electrical tape somewhere sometime today too, so I can, and zip ties, so I can zip tie those up and out of the way and keep those out of area where they can get water in again. But that's all fixed. The truck's running. We're at Chipotle. I'm waiting for Uconnect, so yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Guys, look at this. We just finished eating, but we are so close. Oh my god, I got this freaking zit on my forehead. It's just like, I'm gonna try to get it.
I do not do that.
Well, it's got its own area code. No.
Where is it? My girlfriend got her nails done.
Well, yeah, Katie got her nails done, but it's definitely blocking the area code of a zit I have.
Oh, I haven't slept.
I know. Neither have I. Oh, I kind of did.
Slept the whole day.
Shh, don't tell them that. We're definitely gonna hit 100,000 today. But yeah, guys, that is unreal. I cannot believe we're gonna hit that today. Like Vegas. Can you stop? With like the Sema show on front here, like this is unreal, an unreal experience. Like I cannot thank you guys enough. So later, I'm definitely gonna celebrate. This is gonna be awesome.
My head looks like an egg.
Everything else I noticed here is there's a lot of two-wheel drive vehicles. Not that you need 4x4s. But like that Cummins over there is two-wheel drive, and it really f's up the market for me when I'm trying to buy one. And all the clean ones are two-wheel drive because they came from states like this. Guys, this thing is absolutely filthy. We found a car wash here in Vegas to get this thing all cleaned up. But just from the salt and sand in Colorado, this thing is a mess. So we're definitely gonna have some serious work to do to get this in show and photo shoot quality, I guess, condition. We got photo shoots tomorrow, Sunday, Sema, lots of stuff and placement, and we got to get this all cleaned up. So I got detailing stuff in the back too, but this is really working. This is really doing well right now. Traffic here might be almost as bad as like LA traffic, and they don't even have lines on the road. They have these stupid little reflector thingies that my tires keep like running into and like pulling me. Driving here is a little weird. Now we seriously gotta figure out where to park because I have no idea. Oh, so wait, is that Gillies? Yeah, there's Gillies. That's the barbecue place. Still gotta have the normal stuff here. This is actually a cool shot. Margarita bar?
No, that's Starbucks. I just want coffee.
Okay, so after getting like the runaround for like 3, 4, whatever tries, we actually found the hotel we're staying at has oversized parking, which is super nice. I did take up 2 spots. We don't tell anybody that though, but look at this. I don't even know what that means. Oh wait, that's for vehicles lower than that. Yeah, no, we definitely clear that. We were way up that line. That's actually super funny, but also at the same time, you can park it inside. Oh my goodness, that is funny. Oh, but after all day, we could finally make it to the hotel and actually relax for once, because this was a chore getting it somewhere, being able to park this thing somewhere. Guys, holy crap. Look at this view. Oh, alright guys, that was something. Day 1, I'm gonna be honest. So I was supposed to edit the video from 2 nights ago. I'll probably throw that either at, I don't know if I want to throw it at the beginning of this or not, or I'll throw it in sometime when I get back. Because I'm gonna post on my Instagram. So you'll see it. Trust me, you'll see it. But I honestly got back here at the hotel last night and literally crashed. We were so exhausted that I didn't even edit this video last night. I edited it right now. I'm going to throw this clip in and export it because I feel like the Wi-Fi here is going to take a long time to upload. So I'm going to get in the swing of things here so I can literally finish this video and start the next one. But that was pretty much day 1 in Vegas. It wasn't all crazy stuff because we were so exhausted. But got the truck back, got it running, got it cleaned, and got it parked. I'm going to take it out today. Got a photo shoot tonight, so you'll see that in tomorrow's video. But what is absolutely insane is not only did we hit 100,000, we hit 100. I'm still so tired. I almost said 200,000. That'd be insane. But no, we are already at 100. Go ahead and zoom in. We're already at 101,000 subscribers. That's insane. The growth of this channel over the last couple weeks has just been nuts, and hitting it here is just, it's just awesome. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. And honestly, thank you guys for 100,000 subscribers. That is absolutely nuts. And hitting it here in Vegas right before Sema is just, it is just surreal. So I just want to say thank you guys for everything. And stay tuned for the rest of these 10 days here, because they're going to get crazy and nuts, and there's lots to do and lots to see and lots of people coming, so you guys are going to enjoy all of it. So if you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video, which should be tomorrow. I'll see you guys then.